Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to stop Google from tracking location. So, if you want to stop Google from tracking your location as much as possible, so you'll need to disable more than just timeline or location history. So, Google can still save location related data through other activity settings unless you turn those off too. So, open Google and click your profile in the top right and select Manage your Google account. Now, on the left side, go to Data and Privacy. Now, in here, go to My Activity. Now, next, look for Timeline and click on that and toggle it off. So you can turn off and delete Activity 2. Click on that. Then click Next and confirm your choice. Next, so still on the same page. So scroll down and you can also select Web and App Activity. So even with timeline off, Google may still save location information when you use search, maps, and other Google services if web and app activity is enabled. So in here, click turn off and click turn off, then confirm your choice, and that's it. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.